Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you are fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. Friend, this is me Asya, and today I'll show you in this video very stylish and latest collection of low maintenance hairstyles for girls and women. And many much more beautiful ideas of low maintenance hairstyling with beautiful haircut, very attractive and stylish hair dye, and so beautiful overall ideas. I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about haircut. Some ideas: pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and different type of cut. Some ideas: layered, deep layered, some ideas step, undercut, and mostly ideas in low maintenance undercut hairstyle, hair cut ideas, and very beautiful collection of hair dye. Blonde hair dye, different shade of blonde. Lighty blonde, dark blonde, ash blonde, gold blonde. And so beautiful collection of burgundy color, light brown, dark brown, black color, and very stylish ideas of funky colors. And so cute, charming ideas of highlights. Highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in ash color with dark base color. And so beautiful collection of funky color with light base color. And so cute collection of hairstyling. Fine hairstyle and two short wavy curly hairstyles. And many much more ideas of spiky hairstyle. Beautiful spike with undercut. Very stylish collection of messy hairstyle. And overall collection, latest trendy 2023 ideas. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. If you're new or any other thing on my channel, please share your ideas with me. I'll be come with new trends according to your ideas, so you must share with me. I'll wait. So friend, thank you so much. You're watching my video on my channel. See you in next video. Take care and bye bye.